Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica's give me here another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Huncho, Pray to the East featuring Bnxn. I'm probably pronouncing his name wrong. Probably it means I don't know, but I'm saying that wrong. I know that for a fact. So we're gonna jump in. I wanna react and see what the G has say. I wanna just drop Huncho, big up yourself, bro. I'm a fan of your music. I'm a fan of your work. So we're gonna jump in the one and romantic to blood clap. But let's go.
Every day, and I pray to the East every day, every week, that my brothers can eat, that my brothers can feast, oh yeah. And I think I need a retreat every day, every week, so I rest my feet, oh yeah.
The G, talented. I've said it in a previous reaction. I said it in Daily Duppy. The G, talented. Keep doing your thing, bro. You're talented. No joke.
Every day, every week, that my brothers can eat, that my brothers can feast, oh yeah. And I think I need a retreat every day, every week, so I rest my feet, oh yeah. And I need to clear my dreams, let me spend some G's, let me take my seat, oh yeah. Now I'm on a flight every week, and it's just business, no economy for me, oh yeah. It's just business, when I'm jumping on a beat, oh yeah. It's just healers, whoa. When I'm putting down some G's, oh yeah. They tone up for the day and the yacht is for the night time. Used to be on blocks.
What is for the day? What's for the night?
It's just healers, whoa. When I'm putting down some G's, oh yeah. They tone up for the day and the yacht is for the night time. Used to be on blocks, now we're waving from the skyrise. Feel like it's my time.
I said used to be on blocks, now it's waving from the skylines, brother. Like growth, like the, the elevation. We see it, Bro, bad. Your voice bad.
It's for the night time. Used to be on blocks, now we're waving from the skyrise. Feel like it's my time. All these watches, but I can never buy time. Buy a break if the price right. Box on box like it's fight night. I just did it for the gang, cause they're my guys. Papa Xanax for the long haul flight. Land in LA, make these pounds take flight. My friends locked up while this time goes by, and I tell them to just wait on it. Join my table, there's a play on it. And I pray to the East every day, every week, that my brothers can eat, that my brothers can feast, oh yeah. And I think I need a retreat every day, every week, so I rest my feet, oh yeah. And I need to clear my dreams, let me spend some G's, let me take my seat, oh yeah.
This is a fucking summer song, like, this is a vibe, like, bro, sorry, I have to go again. Sorry guys, but I have to go again. This is...
And I pray to the East every day, every week, that my brothers can eat, that my brothers can feast, oh yeah. And I think I need a retreat every day, every week, so I rest my feet, oh yeah. And I need to clear my dreams, let me spend some G's, let me take my seat, oh yeah. Now I'm on a flight every week, and it's just business, no economy for me, oh yeah. It's just business, when I'm jumping on a beat, oh yeah. It's just healers, whoa. When I'm putting down some G's, oh yeah. They tone up for the day and the yacht is for the night time. Used to be on blocks, now we're waving from the skyrise. Feel like it's my time. All these watches, but I can never buy time. Buy a break if the price right. Box on box like it's fight night. I just did it for the gang, cause they're my guys. Papa Xanax for the long haul flight. Land in LA, make these pounds take flight. My friends locked up while this time goes by, and I tell them to just wait on it. Join my table, there's a play on it. And I pray to the East every day, every week, that my brothers can eat, that my brothers can feast,
oh yeah.
And I think I need a retreat every day, every week, so I rest my feet, oh yeah. And I need to clear my dreams, let me spend some G's, let me take my seat, oh yeah. Now I'm on a flight every week, and it's just business, no economy for me, oh yeah.
Lately I've been feeling bougie. 3 AM I'm playing UFC and eating sushi. Not the type to let you close if you don't really know me. So not the type to do the most, so I'm a little friendly.
Sick.
Lately I've been feeling bougie. 3 a.m. I'm playing UFC and eating sushi. Not the type to let you close if you don't really know me. So not the type to do the most, so I'm a little friendly. And shout out to my brother Tommy, he really got me.
Not the time to do the most, so I'm a little friendly. So basically, I'm tell you, say, yo, listen, right now, I'm not gonna try to do the most. So we just go and watch from afar and see what you're up to. Like, you know, where you're I'm at one zone. You understand? Like,
Yeah, I'm playing UFC and eating sushi. Not the type to let you close if you don't really know me. So not the type to do the most, so I'm a little friendly. And shout out to my brother Tommy, he really got me. And by making sure my mind and my pocket steady. For the pocket power, we making sure we staying heavy. Never broke again, young boys be moving crazy. For the most of the conversations mainly about the money. If you don't get the money, no feel the ceremony. And my daddy pray, I say, Kiolu, I'ma show me. So much daily, like my nigga DJ tunes, let's get to the money. And I've been ready, why I've been up early. I've been pushing out the peas, I ain't talking pennies. Call up Penelope, like I'm in your city.
I've been pushing all the peas and I ain't talking pennies. Like, yeah, like peas, like not the pennies, the peas. That.
I've been pushing out the peas, I ain't talking pennies. Call up Penelope, like I'm in your city. But don't pull up with your babes, let's just keep it low key.
Pray to the east every day, every week. That my brothers can eat, that my brothers can feast. Oh yeah. And I think I need a retreat every day, every week. So I rest my feet. Oh yeah. And I need to clear my dreams. Let me spend some G's, let me take my seat. Oh yeah. Now I'm on a flight every week, and it's just business, no economy for me. Oh yeah.
This is a vibe, dog. This is a fucking vibe, dog. Hey, oh yeah. Yo, I have a question though. I have a couple of questions. First one is, do you think like Huncho wear a mask like 24/7? Like wake up and just put on his mask. Like from him waking, just put on his mask until him ready for go in bed. Do you think he does that, or is it depends what he's doing? Also, do you agree with him hiding his identity? Because I do. I agree with him because not everybody want to be famous. People just want to do their music or their movie or whatever they do, and just not being harassed by media when they're out with them family and stuff like that, or fans taking pictures and stuff like that. I understand that. So I do agree with him hiding his identity. Maybe it's to protect his family or his family life. Maybe he's got kids, maybe his wife or something like that, you know. So I rate that. I respect that. Yo, in bad though, me love that song. Yeah. Pray to the East. Me love that song. Yeah. Me love that song. Yeah. This is gonna be added to my playlist. You can cruise along to this. Me like this. Me not joke. Me like it. Guys, if you like the reaction, yeah, I want to see more from your boy JAMAICA'S gamer. Just just do the right thing, man. Do the right, man. Cause I've been watching the videos. The stats on the videos in our YouTube studio, and that time I say more people watch than subscribe. So what not do? What bumbo clock to not do? Sorry, never meant to shout. Just do the right thing. Rum, please. All right, little more later.